Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 8949, a crucial document for reporting your investment gains and losses. This form helps the Internal Revenue Service reconcile your reported transactions with information from your brokerage. We will go step by step through its two main parts, covering both short-term and long-term capital asset dispositions. Understanding this form is essential for accurate tax filing, especially when dealing with various investment activities. Part 1 of Form 8949 focuses on short-term transactions, which involve assets you held for 1 year or less. You will select one of three boxes. Box A if your broker reported the cost basis to the IRS, Box B if they did not, or Box C for transactions not reported on a Form 1099B. For each transaction, you must detail the property, its acquisition and sale dates, the sales price, and your original cost basis. Moving to Part 2, this section is for long-term transactions, meaning assets held for more than 1 year. Similar to Part 1, you will choose Box D, E, or F depending on how your cost basis was reported to the IRS on your Form 1099B. Remember to use column F for adjustment codes, such as W for wash sales, and column G for the corresponding adjustment amount. This ensures your final gain or loss is correctly calculated. Once you have entered all your transactions on Form 8949, it is vital to review every detail for accuracy. After completing the form, you will carry the totals from both Part 1 and Part 2 over to Schedule D of your tax return. This summary on Schedule D then flows to your main tax form. Always keep thorough records of your investment purchases and sales for at least 3 years, as they are crucial for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.